Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile name on Amazon Music. First of all, open a web browser and then type in music.amazon.com and make sure that you are logged into your Amazon account. Once you're signed into the Amazon Music homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, this one, and then in the expanded menu, click on My Profile. On the next page, tap on the little pencil button that you see and under Setup Profile, tap on the profile name box and type in your new profile name you want to change to. Right underneath your name text box, go to the drop down and tap on it and select if you'd like to make your profile public or private. Once done, click on Save and you will be able to change your profile name on Amazon Music account. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.